Och jag fick väldigt mycket hjälp naturligtvis. Och.
A conjunction meaning, and. Pronounced.
Och.
With a similar sound to the English.
Och.
But with a slightly shorter.
O.
Sound. It connects clauses or phrases. Adding information. In this sentence. It connects the subject statement to a further detail.
Ja.
Means I, or, me. Pronounced.
Yang.
With a hard.
G.
Sounds similar to the G, in, go. It's the first person singular pronoun in Swedish.
Fick.
The past tense form of the verb.
Få.
Meaning, to get, or, to receive. Pronounced.
Fick.
With a short.
I.
Sounds similar to the I in, sit. It indicates a completed action in the past.
Väldigt.
An adverb meaning, very, or, extremely. Pronounced.
Väldigt.
With a stress on the first syllable. It intensifies the adjective.
Mycket. Mycket.
An adverb or pronoun meaning, very much, a lot, or, much. Pronounced.
Mük-et.
With a short.
U.
Sounds similar to the u, in, put. It quantifies the amount of help received.
Hjälp.
A noun meaning, help, or, assistance. Pronounced.
Hjälp.
Similar to the English word. It is the object of the verb.
Fick. Naturligtvis.
An adverb meaning, naturally, of course, or, certainly. Pronounced.
Naturligtvis.
With a slight stress on the first syllable of.
Naturligt.
It conveys a sense of obviousness or expectation. Putting it together.
Och jag fick väldigt mycket hjälp naturligtvis.
Means, and I got a lot of help. Naturally, or, and I received very much help. Of course. It's a casual yet polite way of acknowledging assistance received.